got a storm coming. Welcome to my channel, Connection of Lives and Interests. This is Sharon coming to you with a thunder and lightning show for those of you that love the lightning and thunder shows. Oh, Motor Michael, you need to get home. At least I got a good one. I want to get a good one on a short. I'm doing the landscaping filming. So much for walking tonight, because it's that time in the evening for me to walk. I'll have to do my exercises inside. Still losing more weight. Oh, and today I did small steps on cleaning and organizing some stuff in our bedroom. So that's another incorporation of hashtag small steps with Sharon, is I'm starting to work on Mr. Thumbs Up is gonna make me come in. You watch. Working on clearing out stuff. I have a pile of get rid ofs. So that's another small steps that I'm working on, as well as exercising and doing well with not eating a whole lot, and I've cut back on sugar. I don't put sugar in my coffee. I don't put sugar in my cereal. I'm just doing really well with it all. I'm so happy. Woohoo! Couldn't help but step on the scale again today, and I'm still losing. Yay! Definitely hard work, but it's gonna pay off. Alright, we're going on 3 minutes, so I guess I'll close this here, and I'm gonna try to get a short with a good strike of lightning in it. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope you'll join my channel by subscribing. I hope you'll ring that bell. There you go, Judy May. Oh, and that pizza car going by, I gotta tell you real quick. You'll hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming notifications, because you never know what I might share next. And what's so funny about the pizza delivery car is Mr. Thumbs Up and I have this thing where we'll sit on our porch and we would say, oh, somebody's grilling out, I can smell it. Oh, I love grilled out food. And we would say we'll sit out here until we see a pizza delivery vehicle go in, because we almost see one all the time. Excuse me. Thank you for the blessings. But my neighbor, 2 houses over to the right, that way, has a big tent covering with a whole bunch of chairs set up for some sort of gathering. So I'm wondering if they're supposed to be over there today, because they've had it set up since Thursday and it's Saturday. So, and I don't really want to leave my porch to check it out, because I'm a chicken. Alright, be kind, be nice, be encouraging. No matter where you are through the internet, we can touch lives, we can make a difference, we can make people smile, laugh, and give encouraging words. Keep the fun in all you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.